The wheelie, a trick known by many, a trick that looks pretty cool. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a wheelie on any bike. What is going on, guys? It's Lawton here and welcome back to another video. Now today I'm going to be teaching you how to wheelie any bike. You don't need a certain kind of bike, just any bike. Mountain bike, BMX, an SE bike, any bike really. And so I'm going to be going through all the steps and things you need to do to be able to wheelie a bike. Now, step one. Step one is you need to start out going at a really slow speed, like very slow. And what you want to do is you want to put your chest over the handlebars, basically head right at the front wheel. And then what you want to do is you want to lean back, and while you're leaning back, you want to push down on the pedal, whatever dominant foot you are. Like I'm righty, and so I will push down with my right. If you're lefty, same thing, just do it with your left. But what you want to do is you want to use the torque of the pedals to bring the bike up. So if I go lean forward and then I push the pedal, it'll go backwards. And so a lot of people think it's all in the arms, but it's mostly in the pedal. It's all timing. If you end up doing all, pushing down the pedal and leaning up and it's still not going up, it's because of the timing. Now, another tip that will help you a lot is when you wheelie, start wheeling with your finger on the brake, because when you start to get up at around balance point, which is about right wherever you feel comfortable, where you're not leaning too far back, you're not leaning too far forward, you're just comfortably wheeling, you're going to want to keep your finger on the brake, because if I go forward, hit the brake, as you can see, it's going back up, so that's how you're not going to fall on your back. At first, something that really bothered me is taking a lot of time. It took me around a month just to be able to get it and pedal maybe 4 or 5 times. But that's because I kept not timing it right. And so, but what you want to do is you just want to keep going every day. It may feel like it's impossible. Like for me, it felt like there's just no way I can do it. I just don't understand it at all. But there's going to be that one time you're gonna have, and it's just gonna go right up, and you're gonna be like, oh. And so it's when you feel it, you can tell when you're getting there. Whenever you feel, it feels like the bike kind of magically just comes up. It's not like, it doesn't feel like you're putting in a bunch of work. Because when I go, I'm barely pulling up from the bike. I'm just really leaning back and pushing forward, and it goes up. Now I will show you some examples. Now notice when I hit the brake, the front wheel will start to go down, but as you see, I have to start to stand up to try and get the bike back up. And see, now it's starting to go back up, and then, look at that, see, it goes back up, and then I'll hit the brake again, it goes back down, and I'll stand up again, and it goes back up. So when you hit the brake, it most likely, the wheel will go down just a little bit, and if it goes down too far, then you just stand up and try to pedal harder, and then the bike will rise back up again. Now, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, or if something's not working for you, just comment down below, and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. And I will hope to see you later. Goodbye.